Hi YouTube. So people are cutting grass outside right now. Sorry if it gets kind of loud. I hope you can't hear it that much, but I can hear it, so I feel like it's pretty loud, but whatever. In today's video, I'm just gonna be like doing my makeup. As you can see, I have like blonde hair going on or whatever, and I kind of want to do like bleach brows. Obviously not real bleach brows, like just I'm gonna put concealer in my eyebrows. But yeah, before we get into the video, I wanted to talk a little bit about Dossier. Basically, if you've never heard of Dossier before, Dossier is a new fragrance company. I think they're still pretty new. I'm sure you guys heard about it. I keep seeing it everywhere, so yeah. But basically, they reproduce high-end like luxury scents for a fraction of the cost. It's so much more affordable if you buy it with them, and I'm not kidding, it smells exactly the same. A couple months ago I got one of their perfumes inspired by Bon Bon, Victor and Rolf, and my sister literally has the perfume, but she has a little tiny one because that perfume is expensive. It literally smells exactly the same, and I'm not even kidding. Like, by now I've used it all up because everyone in my house keeps using my perfume. So this month I have Floriental Vanilla. All of the boxes come with a little sample size, so if you didn't like it after you smelled it, you would send back the 50 milliliter bottle. So Floriental Vanilla is inspired by YSL's Black Opium. I never tried YSL's Black Opium, but this smells so good. I really love this one. And the other one I have is Amber Saffron, and it is inspired by, oh, it's inspired by Baccarat Rouge. I didn't even know that. My friend has Baccarat Rouge. She wears, ooh, this smells so good. Ooh, I love this, you guys. You have to check out their perfumes. They smell identical to what they're inspired by. And also they take suggestions on their website. You can basically go on their website and tell them what scents you'd like to see next. So yeah, it's really cool, and the risk-free system they have, like you can literally return the bottle if you don't like it and get your full refund. Also have a coupon code. Use Cheyenne10 for 10% off on all Dossier products. Yeah. Thank you, Dossier. So now that we've talked about Dossier, we can go ahead and get into the video. I don't know if I mentioned this already, but I'm trying to do like a bleach brow look, maybe some freckles, and I'm also going to put on lashes today. If you've watched any of my makeup videos, you guys know I'm not good at putting on lashes. I rarely ever wear them, not because I don't like them, it's because I literally don't know how to put them on, and I have the hardest time, and I usually get frustrated, get glue everywhere, and mess up my makeup. But today I'm putting on lashes. I am. So basically how I do my bleach brows, I've only did this like once before, but I kind of just put concealer on my spoolie, like my lightest concealer, and just brush lightly through. I'm using this is my lightest concealer. It's the Shape Tape Tan Sand Deep. I'm just like putting it on the back of my hand, and I'm gonna do that. What was I gonna say? You have to like do it lightly, or it's kind of just gonna go on your skin and not on like your brow hair. I know everyone's not a fan of bleach brows. Like literally my mom's like, Cheyenne, you look crazy, but I think they're cool sometimes. I have like blonde streaks right now, so I feel like it would look good with it. I kind of do that like over and over until it looks realistic, and then I'm gonna go in with like white eyeshadow. I feel like because I have such sparse brows, it's easier. I don't know. I'm kind of gonna brush them down and wipe off the concealer in that area because I feel like I need to see the contrast between my brow and my skin, if that makes sense. I need a brush to put the white eyeshadow on. Okay, I'm using my James Charles palette. I know he got canceled like 20 times, but I'm not throwing away my makeup. It is not giving what it's supposed to give currently, but we're gonna get it there. I'm literally just gonna repeat these steps over and over and over. until it looks, you know, decent. Going back in with concealer. So this time I'm using Caramel. The color Caramel by NARS. Basically, I'm kind of like combing my eyebrows in the opposite direction. Okay, it's giving. I'm gonna let it dry a little for like 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna go back in with the eyeshadow because I feel like the eyeshadow is wiping off the concealer almost. So it's like been drying for a little while, but like I was saying, it's not good to just like dab concealer all over your eyebrow area because you kind of need the contrast of like your actual eyebrow hair and your skin being a different color. Basically, I'm gonna brush all of them down. And then I'm gonna take makeup remover and wipe like that area. Not my brows, but just like the skin around the brows. I'm using this micellar water. Like it's supposed to look like Bleach brows. It's not supposed to look like you covered your brows with concealer. I'm using this ABH powder contour kit, and I'm using this lighter. It looks pink in real life, but pinky color. It looks white on camera, but it's kind of pink. I'm going in with that. I always use the LA Girl applicator thing to clean my brows for some reason. I'm going in with my foundation color for this because it's kind of like darker than concealer would be. To make it look even better, I'm going in with darker contour shade. And I'm like putting it on my brow bone. Now, the final and last step, I'm going to take my foundation again. I'm going to try to just like do some lines to make it look more natural, you know, like, yeah. That only literally took me 30 minutes to do. I'm concealing with Shape Tape and Tan Deep Sand. I'm using the NARS concealer in Walnut, the Creamy Radiant Concealer in Walnut, to like cover up blemishes. I kind of let my concealers dry a little bit before blending them. Now I'm gonna go in and blend my concealer. And now I'm going to go in with my NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer in Caramel. Now I'm going in with my powder. I use Fenty powder and banana. Sometimes I mix it with Fenty powder and cashew, but not all the time. Actually, I think today I'm gonna mix them. This is the cashew, which is kind of dark for my under eyes. It doesn't look dark, but it is. And this one, I kind of look white, so I'm gonna mix them. This is kind of how I like bake my face. I push it all the way in. Gonna put it on my chin, and then I'm just gonna like dab it all around my face, and now on my forehead, because my forehead is very oily, as you can see. I think I'm gonna use the Anastasia contour palette because I've been using this one for like years, like 2 or 3 years now, and I think I'm starting to realize it rubs off my concealer. But sometimes I think it's just all in my head, but I don't know. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use the second to darkest one right here in the middle. don't know how people use cream contour. It goes everywhere. Like, how do you blend that? And then I kind of just like go over here. I'm going in with the Shape Tape again and Tan Sand Deep. And like a small little tiny brush. I usually don't blend that. I kind of just leave it there. And now I'm using that same contour color. Now I'm gonna just like here and here. I know it doesn't look like there's any powder sitting on my face, but I go in and dust off the powder that is on my face. And in that process, I feel like I'm kind of blending out the contour. Okay, next. Blusher. So for blush, I use Daiquiri Dip by Fenty, and it's cream. I know you're not supposed to put cream over powder, but like, when am I supposed to use this? Before I put my powder on? Then my powder is just gonna cover it. I don't use a lot, so I feel like it's not a big deal. My nose. I really don't know if I want to do eyeliner. And now for highlighter, I use Laura Mercier Indiscretion. It's literally all broken up. Oh my god. But yeah, that's what I use. I usually apply it with my fingers, but I still stare at the viewfinder, and I've been on YouTube for a decent amount of time. I'm gonna put these lashes on off camera, and then I'm gonna come back with the lip. And I think that's it. Got these from the beauty supply store, so I don't know where y'all gonna find these, but I'm gonna put them on and I'll be back. I kid you not, it's been like 35 minutes. It took me 35 minutes to put on lashes because they wouldn't stick. They're too long, and I fucked up my makeup in the inner corner trying to take eyelash glue off like the inner corner, and then I had to reapply concealer in an area, but it looks good from far away. I mean, I also added brown eyeliner if y'all didn't peep. But yeah, now I'm gonna show you guys the lip combo. Okay, so this is the lip liner I use. It's called Trendsetter by Morphe. I kind of want to go for a matte lip. I can't believe it took me so long to put on lashes. And it's still like flying up in that corner over there. Unfortunately. This is Dubai by NYX. I want something like really light in the middle. Okay, I'm gonna use Medusa by Huda Beauty. And now I think I'm gonna go in with like black eyeshadow just to like darken everything. Okay, no lie, I do not like this, so I'm wiping it off. I think I literally like the natural color of my lips. Yeah. So I think this is the final look. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna fix my hair and I'll be back. I feel like I look really goth. Yeah, I actually really like how this turned out. I mean, I wish this would have been covered a little better in those areas, but I really like it. Also, this video is probably gonna be uploaded before I upload the video on how I got my hair like this, but it should be uploaded soon after, so bye guys, thanks for watching.